Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure QuickBooks for financial management, detailed guide step by step clearly. Open QuickBooks and select the appropriate company file to begin. From the home screen, navigate to the company menu in the top menu bar. Choose My Company from the drop-down options. In the My Company window, update your company information, including the legal name, address, and contact details. Click on the Edit button to modify any section necessary. Ensure your business type is set correctly to optimize features specific to your industry. Select Save after making the changes. Next, go to the Lists menu and select Chart of Accounts. Review the default accounts listed and customize according to your business needs. To add a new account, click the Account button on the bottom left and select New. Choose the account type that matches your financial needs, so input the account details, then click Save and Close. Now, proceed to set up your customers. Navigate to the Customers menu and select Customer Center. Click on New Customer to enter customer details such as name, billing address, and payment terms. Ensure you assign appropriate credit limits if necessary. After entering details, click OK to save each customer. Next, set up your vendors by navigating to the Vendors menu and selecting Vendor Center. Click on New Vendor to enter information like the vendor's name, address, and payment terms. As with customers, you can assign credit limits if needed. Once completed, click OK to save your vendor information. To manage your inventory, go to the Lists menu and select Item List. Click on Item and then select New to add new inventory item. Define whether the item is a product, service, or non-inventory item. Fill in relevant details such as description, cost, and price, then click OK. Next, configure your payroll settings. Select the Employees menu and then Payroll Center. Choose Set up Payroll and follow the on-screen prompts. Enter information such as employee details, pay rates, and deductions. Confirm all details for accuracy and save your payroll settings. Now, establish your sales tax settings. Go to the Edit menu and select Preferences. In the left sidebar, find and click on Sales Tax. Set your preferences for how QuickBooks will handle sales tax, such as calculating rates automatically. Enter your sales tax agency information and make sure to save your settings. Finally, customize your reports for effective financial management. Navigate to the Reports menu and select Custom Reports. Choose the type of report that aligns with your financial goals, such as profit. Adjust the date range and other parameters as needed. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.